Good morning, Katy, Texas. Good morning, Tamaron. Good morning, everybody from Kingdom Roof and Fence. My name is Ron, and I'm here with my beautiful wife, Laura.
Good morning, everyone.
We are about to embark on an adventure for not just this Friday is Valentine's Day, but me and my Valentine are going on a 6-month anniversary honeymoon cruise.
Yes.
What do you think about that, Laura?
I'm excited and nervous and all those things.
Anticipating some great fun and some relaxation after a long Christmas light season.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Kingdom Roof and Fence, everyone knows that we are located in Richmond, Texas. We now have a new location. We've expanded. God has grown our business. We're in Katy, Texas now. We are in the Tamaron area. For those who are familiar with Katy, that's on the Fushear line here in the Houston, Texas area. Kingdom Roof and Fence, we are roofing and fencing contractors, and 2020 has a vision on fire for great things. We're really doubling and tripling our business and tenfold. Our cup is overflowing. And Laura has some great news to share with you about, conveniently now that we're located in Katy, Texas. Laura?
We're conveniently located in Katy, Texas, which means that we kind of expanded our footprint where we can, not that we didn't serve Katy before. We did. Now it's just a little easier to do so.
Sure. I mean, when you're looking for someone who's local, someone who's in the local area. We are in the local area in Richmond, and now we're also in the local area, like right down the street here in Katy. Katy is one of the fastest growing and the nicest, towns and areas in the Houston area. It's West Houston, and we're very excited about that. Now, the cedar prices for fences have gone up. I don't know if anyone's been looking at that. There's a cedar shortage. If you go into places like Home Depot or Lowe's, you'll see that just the picket alone, cedar, Western cedar, people, one of the types of cedar, was $2.56 per picket, and now it's up to $3.17 for each picket, and there's 2 pickets side by side, doesn't even equal a foot, so we're over $1 more a foot. Here at Kingdom Roof and Fence, we've been trying our best to absorb this cost, work out as many deals as we can to try to keep our costs the same as it was last year. And we've done that. I don't know how long we can do that, but now is the time for preseason fencing. To call us here at Kingdom Roof and Fence is 346-291-4492. You can also see us online at kingdomroofandfence.com. If you put a /Katy, you'll see something that's more specifically targeted to the Katy location. But to talk about blessings, before we mention roofing, but to talk about blessings, man, we're in a new studio today. We're not in the Kingdom Roof and Fence Richmond studio that was brand new. We are now broadcasting from Katy, Texas in a home studio of a new home. We just been blessed to be a steward of. And Laura, what is it like to be in a brand new, not like a new house to us, but brand spanking new, just recently built home and a new studio and office? What is that like?
It is amazing. It's been a little hectic, the move. Everybody hates moving and, but it has just been pretty smooth, surprisingly. The kids have adapted super well. Just getting to decorate and put your stuff in and find a little new homes for everything. It's been really great, really fun.
So roofing, we're blessed. Let's get your roof taken care of. It's a free roof inspection. Call Kingdom Roof and Fence, 346-291-4492. Once again, our website on the web is kingdomroofandfence.com. We'd love to help you out with any of that, and we are truly blessed. We're in Katy, Texas now, new location. We're still in Richmond, Texas, Pecan Grove. So, like I said, give us a call, and happy Valentine's Day, everybody. This Friday, make sure that you find that Valentine and you treat them right, treat them special, even though it isn't Hallmark holiday. I mean, think outside the lines. Get your Valentine a new fence. You know what I mean? Do some honeydew projects and keep your Valentine from having to pretend that they know how to build a fence. or jump up on that dangerous ladder and inspect or repair the roof themselves. Leave it to the professionals. Let's enjoy our holiday. Let's enjoy every day with Kingdom Roof and Fence. Once again, the number is 346-291-4492, or check us out on the web, kingdomroofandfence.com.
You're the one